We were trying to see if the overbrowsing of deer does have an effect on the amphibians and reptiles. So if it does have an effect, we would find more amphibians and reptiles in our exclosure compared to our control. The exclosure is to keep the deer out and to see if more amphibians and reptiles are going to repopulate there versus where the deer are still able to walk through.
What we do is we check every 2 or 3 weeks these 40 by 40 plots. Each one has 100 different individual plots.
And they're all marked with a number. We use a 1 meter by 1 meter quadrat to measure our area, and we take the soil temperature with a probe, and that gets recorded. The natural cover, so if there's leaf litter on the ground, which this one doesn't have any, that gets recorded. The plant cover, there's a lot of poison ivy in this one. How many sticks or any sort of living, like if there was a tree in our plot, we would record that, which would be different than a broken down log, which would go under wood. If there's a cover board, which is an artificial type of cover, that would also be recorded. And then if we find any species in here, that gets recorded by their species code name. From the research that we have started doing on people who have done this, they actually found that there was more species in the control.
Because the deer feces brought in insects, then the insects attracted more reptiles and amphibians, more food source for them to thrive.
Also, it could be the type of fencing that they use. The amphibians and reptiles are more likely to be able to get in where it's not fenced in. With this project and with our disease study, we do a lot of our sampling here, and it kind of gives you an overview of what we actually have in Oswego County.